Oh, is that your toy?
Yeah, I threw it too far.
I wonder if I can get Nessie to get it.
Nessie, get it! She doesn't like mud very much. She likes the pool.
Ness, can you fetch? Fetch?
Oh,
Bombette, can you get it? Fetch!
Get it, Bombette!
Fetch!
No, it's too big.
Ah! Oh, gee! Go away, dog! Bombette, you are such a pig pen.
Oh, B, you are so disgusting. What are you talking about? I'm perfect. Oh, that's just lovely, B. Oh, look, now Nessie goes in.
Nessie's having fun.
Hey, Rumble Girl. Rumble, you want to go in? No, not really. God, he's disgusting. He's definitely getting a bath before he gets in my car.